Yeah, buddy. Nice whiteout today. Wind is blowing about 25-30 miles an hour from the right. I don't know if the phone's even catching it, but you can see the road going across it like a water current. A dually diesel pickup truck with a gooseneck trailer in the ditch, jackknifed. Police officer was already there. That was on the other side of town, but still. It's 26 degrees. It's not as cold as it looks out. Cold enough to where it's the drifting kind of snow. Look out that way, you can't even see the trees barely. And you look out my mirror, you can't even see that box truck behind me. He was getting really close to my rear end. Hopefully he's dropping back because I'm just driving through normal snow and I'm causing a complete whiteout behind me. Because it's so light and fluffy. Yeah, can't even barely see out of my mirror there. You can kind of see the truck back there. He doubled his distance. He was a lot closer. Alright, I'm getting into town, so that'll be it for now.